welcome back, kings and queens. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King. I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I had to leave the house, so I am on my break and I'm heading because I want to get a couple of things. There's some things that I want to play around with and try, so I want to see what they have. Now, often when I come here, I see that they have the card sheets. I typically don't use these because I print on my own card stock. I get a basic card stock and I use my own backgrounds to print. But at some point I may mess around with these things just to add some, some intrigue to my cards, to allow it to have some dimension and things like that. Like the leopard print is really cute, but I have a leopard print background already, so I wouldn't invest the money in something like that when I know I have something like that already. I always love when the vinyl rolls go on sale. If you haven't had a chance to try vinyl, this gives you a chance to try. There's also some Etsy sellers that you can purchase samples from so that you can try different varieties without breaking the bank or being stuck with things that you don't want or need. Now, I don't always buy my vinyl and things from here, but I do want to try. Oh, they have some planks. Sorry, I get distracted. My kids laugh at me because of that. But I do want to try Atlanta vinyl. They have vinyl and some samples and things like that I want to be able to try. I think they have some sheets for like 65 cents or something like that. So again, that gives me a chance to experiment and try new things, and see what I like and what I want. I'm looking at the removable vinyl on sale for $4.99. This looks nice for people that are working on their photos and displays. This is the shop box. I haven't used them. I know everybody has their own variety, but this is We Are Memory Keepers. It is a really good brand of a lot of things, and here's actually one here on display that can show you how it will be used. I'm not gonna lie, it's extremely dangerous for me to come in the store without a plan. There was one thing that I actually wanted to get from the store, and I'm doing my best to try to stay focused to get it and get out. Because you guys are following me, you subscribe to me, you're probably like me and you'll be in here like, ooh, pretty things, let me get this. And that is not what you came in here for. So I know a lot of people, are still going through their different stages and they can't get out. So I like doing these videos when I can get out, because if you can see it in my store, you might be able to find something and order it if it's something you like, or just get crafting ideas. I want to try the Podge Dimensional Magic. I'm not here to get that today. I also want to try, I have some of the fabric fusion glue. Mine is old, so I don't even know if it actually even works right now, but there are a couple of crafts that I want to try. Some of you guys have seen my fabric fan that I made on one of the Facebook groups. I definitely want to make another one. I also want to make a hat. I'm so excited about that, so that should be coming soon. Win, lose, or draw is coming, y'all. So I don't know what it's gonna look like, but I'm excited. About it. Now this looks interesting to me. Mod Podge photo transfer tool. Idea for transferring photos. So I definitely want to look more into that and see what that's about. And they have some brayer tools. I don't use that, but I've seen people use that as a decoupage tool for their crafting, so that looks interesting to me as well. But I am going to get some of the fabric fusion glue. This one has 3 in the pack, so I'm going to try it because I'm not sure which type of glue I'm actually going to need. Now, some people do their sorority and fraternity paddles So Michaels has some. Can't tell you how much it costs, but they are here. I don't know if I'm going to get one of these, but this is really interesting to me. As far as crafting and organizing, and that purple one caught my eye. So, Mr. King, if you're listening, listen. So they have purple, they have black. I like the black one too. And that looks kind of like a rose gold, I guess, a blush. I don't know what exactly to call that color, but that's really pretty. And they're on sale for $29.99. They're originally $59.99. Okay, this is a big one. This is what everybody likes every year. From what I've seen in the crafting groups, the photo boxes. So the photo boxes are on sale right now for $2.99. You guys can see the colors and the varieties. I've actually never used one of these photo boxes. I have some boxes that I kept for like my own memory keeping boxes, but I haven't purchased one of these. But people have used them for like their game boxes and different things like that to package and sell their items. I am trying to check out. Ooh. See, I told you guys I get distracted. I did not know that they had a sewing out. Typically, I've never bought any sewing materials from Michaels. So, I didn't know a lot of this stuff was even back here. If I did know it, I really didn't pay any attention. Because in the past, I have purchased my sewing things from Walmart, Hancock Fabric when they had one in my area, and Hobby Lobby. Those are really good scissors for embroidery. If you notice now, I am in a different part of the store. This is some fabric that they have available. But like I said, I'm in a different part of the store. I needed to get in and get out anyway, but I heard somebody coughing. You see me in my mask. I don't play about my health. I want to stay healthy. I came in 22 healthy. I want to go into 2023 healthy. So, let me see. I'm actually looking for something in particular. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. And they've changed their packaging again. Jolie's transfers for dark fabric. They have the glow in the dark, which seems cool. I might try that one day. I don't like light fabric transfers. I just have not had success with them. So this is the one I like to get for light fabric or dark fabric. And they come in handy just to have. There's some t-shirts I know I want to make, so I'm getting these. So these are the two items I'm getting today. I'm getting out of here because I'll end up buying something else. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a great day.